In this video, I'll walk you through how to integrate Folk CRM with Slack so you can streamline your workflow and enhance your team's productivity. If you're new to Folk CRM, don't worry. I'll also give you a quick rundown on what Folk CRM is and why it's a tool worth considering. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up this integration and maximize your usage of both tools, especially for a more efficient business experience. Now, let's dive in. Folk CRM is a simple yet powerful customer relationship management tool that focuses on ease of use. It's designed to help you organize your contacts, manage workflows, and build relationships with clients all in one place. But the real magic happens when you integrate Folk CRM with Slack. Why Slack? Well, Slack's the go-to platform for team communication, and when you sync it with your CRM, you ensure that all updates and important interactions are communicated instantly to your team. Here's how you can do it. First, head to your Folk CRM account and go to the Settings section. You'll find an Integrations tab there, click on it, and you'll see the option for Slack. Select Slack, and then you'll need to connect your Slack account to Folk CRM. You'll be prompted to sign into your Slack workspace if you aren't already logged in. Once you've logged in, you'll give Folk CRM permission to access your Slack account. Don't worry, this step is fully secure. Once connected, you can customize how you want notifications to appear in Slack. For example, you can set it up so that whenever a contact is added or updated in Folk CRM, a message is automatically sent to a designated Slack channel. This saves you the hassle of manually updating your team and keeps everyone in the loop in real time. You can also get notifications for new deals, tasks, and even meetings. It's all about making sure that no updates slip through the cracks. Another fantastic feature of this integration is the ability to use Slack commands directly from Folk CRM. You can send direct messages to contacts or create tasks for your team without leaving Slack. This streamlines your workflow and ensures you're not hopping between different platforms. Plus, the integration works in both ways, meaning you can also send data from Slack back to Folk CRM to keep everything synced. One of the best things about Folk CRM is its ability to create custom workflows. You can easily automate tasks like assigning contacts to specific team members or triggering notifications when certain conditions are met. Integrating Slack allows these workflows to be more immediate, so your team stays up to date and can act on leads or customer interactions as soon as they happen. And don't forget, with Slack, you can use the platform's dimensions to tag specific team members, ensuring they get the right notifications at the right time. This makes it much easier to stay organized, especially when multiple people are working on the same deals or managing different clients. Now, if you're excited to get started with Folk CRM and Slack, you can use both tools for free with an exclusive bonus available in the description below. The integration is easy to set up, and you'll start seeing the benefits immediately. By connecting Folk CRM to Slack, you'll take your team collaboration to the next level, making it simpler to manage relationships and work on tasks together in real time. Before I wrap this up, remember, this integration isn't just about syncing apps. It's about making your business more efficient and organized. Whether you're managing a small team or a growing business, this tool will save you time and reduce the chances of missing important updates. And by the way, the link in the description also includes an extended free trial, so you can get started at no cost and see the value for yourself. Go ahead and try out Folk CRM and Slack today. Trust me, once you integrate these two, you'll wonder how you managed without them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description.